Hello students, in this video we will solve some examples by using the corollary and theorems. First corollary, order of A equal to order of set generated by A, that is the number of elements in the subgroup generated by A is equal to the order of the element A. Second theorem, let A be an element of order n in a group G, let k be a positive integer. Then set generated by a raised to k equal to set generated by a raised to GCD of nk. Second, order of a raised to k equal to n upon GCD of nk. Next corollary, let G be a cyclic group generated by A such that order of A equal to n, then set generated by A equal to set generated by A raised to j if and only if GCD of nj equal to 1. In other words, A raised to j is a generator of G if and only if GCD of nj equal to 1. Next corollary, an element k bar is a generator of Zn if and only if GCD of nk equal to 1. Next remark, if k is a positive divisor of n, then order of a raised to n upon k equal to n upon GCD of n, nk equal to n upon k equal to k. Hence, the subgroup generated by a raised to n upon k has order k. In fact, it is the only subgroup of G of order k. Next example, write all generators for Z10. Second, a cyclic group generated by A such that order of A equal to 6. By using the corollary, an element k bar is a generator of Zn if and only if GCD of nk equal to 1. Here n equal to 10. Now for first, here we find the values of k such that GCD of k10 equal to 1. Z10 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. GCD of 110 equal to 1. GCD of 310 equal to 1. GCD of 710 equal to 1. And GCD of 910 equal to 1. That is, the generators are nothing but the 1, 3, 7, 9. 1, 3, 7, 9. Next, for second, a cyclic group generated by A such that order of A equal to 6. Here we find the values of k such that GCD of k6 equal to 1. So GCD of 1,6 equal to 1, GCD of 5,6 equal to 1. The generators are nothing but the a raised to 1 and a raised to 5. Why we take here a raised to 1 and a raised to 5? Because G is nothing but the cyclic group generated by A such that order of A equal to 6, means G equal to nothing but the a square, a cube, a raised to 4, a raised to 5 and a raised to 6 equal to identity. That's why here we take a raised to 1 and a raised to 5. Next example, list all subgroups of Z30. Here order of G equal to 30. The divisors of 30 are 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. By using the remark we solve the example. Remark is, if k is a positive divisor of n, then order of a raised to n upon k equal to n upon GCD of n upon k and n equal to k. Hence, the subgroup generated by a raised to n upon k has order k, where k is a positive divisor of n. In fact, it is the only subgroup of G of order k. Here, k are nothing but the 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Here n equal to 30 and A is nothing but the generator of G, and the generator A equal to 1 bar. For k equal to 1, we have a raised to n upon k equal to set generated by A is 1, n is 30, 30 upon k is 1, equal to set generated by 1 raised to 30. But here binary operation is nothing but the addition, so 1 raised to 30 is nothing but the 30 set generated by 30. So we get only singleton 0. For k equal to 2, set generated by a raised to n upon k equal to set generated by 1 raised to n is 30 upon k is 2, which is equal to 1 raised to 15 and which is equal to 15. So set generated by 15 is 0, 15. Next, for k equal to 3, set generated by a raised to n upon k equal to set generated by 1 raised to 30 upon 3 equal to 1 raised to 10, which is equal to set generated by 10, which is equal to set of 0, 10, 20, and 30 is nothing but a 0, so we stop here. Now for k equal to 4, we get a raised to n upon k equal to 1 upon 30, 1 raised to 30 upon 4, which is equal to, 4 is not divisor, k equal to 5, 1 raised to 30 upon 5, 1 raised to 6, which is equal to set generated by 6 equal to 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. Now put for k equal to 6, we get a raised to n upon k equal to 1 raised to 30 upon 6 equal to 1 raised to 5, which is equal to 5, gives 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next, for k equal to 10, the set generated by a raised to n upon k equal to set generated by 1 raised to 30 upon 10 equal to set generated by 1 raised to 3 equal to set generated by 3, which is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9 up to 27. For k equal to 15, a raised to n upon k equal to 1 raised to 30 upon 15, which is equal to 1 raised to 2 equal to set generated by 2, which is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 28. Now for k equal to 30, we get set generated by a raised to n upon k equal to set generated by 1 raised to 30 upon 30 equal to 1 raised to 1, which is equal to 1 bar. This is nothing but d0, 1, 2, 3 up to 30, which is equal to z30. So here the example values of k are nothing but d1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Here we only put the value of k, a and n, and similarly for others numbers of k. Now next example, let g equal to z15 with the addition modulo 15. Find a subgroup of g of order 3. Second, find a subgroup of g of order 5. And next, write all generators for g. Here we used theorem. Let A be an element of order n in a group G. Let k be a positive divisor. Then set generated by a raised to k equal to set generated by a raised to GCD of nk. And second, order of a raised to k equal to n upon GCD of nk. For first, we know that if G is set generated by A and order of G equal to n, then order of a raised to k equal to n upon GCD of nk. First, for a subgroup of order 3, we want k such that 15 upon GCD of 15k equal to 3. Means if we put k equal to 5, GCD of 15 and 5 equal to 5, 15 upon 5 equal to 3. That means if k equal to 5 or k equal to 10, then 15 upon GCD of 15k equal to 3. If k equal to 5, then a raised to k equal to, here we take a is 1 and k is 5, 1 raised to 5 equal to 5. So the set generated by 5 equal to 0, 5, 10 is the subgroup of order 3. Now k equal to 10, a raised to k equal to 1 raised to 10, which is equal to 10. Set generated by 10 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. In Z15, 10 is 10, 20 is 5, 30 is 0, 40 is 10, 50 is 5 and other number is 0, means we stop here. So we get set generated by 10 equal to 10, 5, 0, means set generated by 5 equal to set generated by 10 equal to 0, 5, 10. For next, find a subgroup of G of order 5, means 15 upon GCD of 15k equal to 5. Possible k are nothing but the 3, 6, 9 or 12, because GCD of 15, 3 equal to 3, GCD of 6, 15 equal to 3, GCD of 9, 15 equal to 3, GCD of 15, 12 equal to 3 and 15 upon 3 equal to 5. That's why possible k are nothing but the 3, 6, 9 or 12. For k equal to 3 implies that a raised to k equal to 1 raised to 3, which is equal to 3, means set generated by 3 equal to 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, but 15 in Z15 0, so we stop here. So set generated by 3 is a subgroup of order 5. For other values of k, we get the same subgroup. So we stop here. Now third is write all generators for G. Here G is nothing but D Z15 and generators are nothing but D numbers which are relatively prime with 15, means GCD of K15 equal to 1. Therefore, generators are nothing but D. Generators are nothing but D. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14. GCD of 1, 15 equal to 1. GCD of 2, 15 equal to 1. GCD of 4, 15 equal to 1. Similarly, for 7, 8, 11, 13, 14. Next example. Let G be a cyclic group of order 10 generated by A. First, find a subgroup of order 2. Next, find a subgroup of order 5. Here, given G be a cyclic group generated by A of order 10, means G equal to A square, A cube, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, A raised to 6, A raised to 7, A raised to 8, A raised to 9, A raised to 10. Order of G is 10, means A raised to 10 equal to identity, means the set is nothing but D, E, A square, A cube, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, A raised to 6, A raised to 7, A raised to 8, A raised to 9, A raised to 10. Now first find a subgroup of order 2, means for a subgroup of order 2, we want k such that 10 upon GCD of nk equal to 2. 10 upon GCD of n is nothing but the 10, k equal to 2. Therefore, k equal to, if k equal to 5, then 10 upon GCD of 10, 5 equal to 2, because GCD of 10, 5 is 5, 10 upon 5 is nothing but the 2. So, h equal to a raised to k, means a raised to 5. Here a nothing but the generator of G. So, value of a is a raised to 5, which is equal to a raised to 5. A raised to 5 raised to 2 means a raised to 10, and a raised to 10 is nothing but the identity. So, we stop here. When we get identity, then we stop there. Here we get a raised to 5, means set generated by a raised to 5 equal to a raised to 5 is the required subgroup. Second, find a subgroup of order 5. For a subgroup of order 5, we want k such that 10 upon GCD of 10k equal to 5. When 10 upon 2, then we get 5. If we put k equal to 2, then GCD of 10, 2 equal to 2, means 10 upon 2 equal to 5. So, h equal to set generated by a raised to 2, which is equal to a square, a raised to 4, a raised to 6, a raised to 8, a raised to 10, but a raised to 10 is identity, so we stop here. So, we get a square, a raised to 4, a raised to 6, a raised to 8 is the required subgroup of order 5. We stop here.